look at my broccoli. I got 3 heads now. Oh, look at y'all. Come on, broccoli. Continue to grow big for us. Yes. Looking good. Yes, you are. Have more lettuce growing over here. Come on, lettuce. Grow big for us. Okay, my lemon tree over here. I need to prune it. Cut off some of these dead branches off of it. But look here. Lemon's trying to turn yellow finally. Okay, lemon. More lettuce growing over here, but a lot of it has gone to seed, has bolted and gone to seed. I can see the seeds coming up on. Over here I have some more lettuce growing along with the collard greens and the curly kale over there. This area where my asparagus is, I need to clean out this area. But look, asparagus still say I'm here. I see you, asparagus. I need to clean out this area and clean out my bell peppers and my jalapeno peppers that didn't make it through the cold weather. Get ready for the spring to grow some more. But asparagus, look at you still trying to come. Look at that cabbage head there. Okay. It's getting hard. Think I'm gonna let it get a little bit bigger before I harvest it. Okay, cabbage. Looking good over here. Come on, cabbage. Form those big heads for us.